Hello and welcome guys to this quick game development devlog video, which is about my game Oh My Zombie, the game where you are the zombie, and I want to give you a quick update. Version 0.014 is coming out now, and I want to show you the new functions that are included, all that I have worked on for the last 2 weeks, and that's what I want to show you right here. So I added a few more attack systems, and one of the attack system is a enemy radar, and you can see if I get close to some enemies, they are turning yellow, they are getting marked, and then I can it's returning the closest enemy, and I can return the closest enemy entity and can fire a virus attack, which you can see here, this green smelly virus thing. And I get in here, you see the next enemy is marked as closest, and I release the virus attack, and all the enemies within a certain range are getting marked, but the closest enemy, closest distance to the player, is getting attacked. So this is the virus attack you can see here. And also I have another attack. It is called the puke attack, and it looks like this. Look at that. I didn't hit the enemy, but if he gets hit, you can see it's a pretty powerful weapon, removing almost all the health points. Exactly, it is removing 3 health points from the enemy. And that's pretty much. So, and we got another new attack, and that's called the throw bone attack, and I show you what it looks like. It is this pretty thing, and you can see with physics I am throwing a bone, and this bone is getting knocked back if it hits any obstacle, and delivering 1 damage to the enemy. So you can see here, let's fire another bone attack, and you can see we can even do stuff like that, but we have to be careful, because if it bounces back, it's also delivering damage to the player. And that's one thing I wanted to have, that you can also deliver damage to yourself, and you have to be careful what you're doing with this bone attack. But I think I can do some pretty cool mechanics with that. And as always, eat all the enemies. There are a few more things I have to tweak on the system, and maybe I will do some little changes to it. But these are all the attacks we've added, and of course there's the melee attack, which will get another important function in a new version, in a new video. You will see that. I'm planning to destroy these enemy remains with the melee attack, and then gather the skulls and the bones in order to get skill points and have a bones for the bone attack. So that's pretty much for it. Thank you very much for watching. This is version 0.014. It's coming out now. Link in the description. Get your free demo. Try it out. Give me some feedback. Thank you very much. We will continue developing this game, and thanks for your support. As always, stay awesome, stay healthy, and I see you in the next video.